वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज इस वीडियो के अंदर हम बात करेंगे हाउ टू मेक मनी फ्रॉम गूगल प्ले स्टोर। गूगल प्ले स्टोर से आप लोग कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, हम देखते हैं आज के इस वीडियो के अंदर। वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आप लोग हमारे चैनल के ऊपर फर्स्ट टाइम आए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल नोटिफिकेशन को प्रेस कर दीजिए। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के वीडियो को। Today, the mobile apps are used in just about any industry. Companies can make money with mobile apps in many different ways. When your app is popular and rank high in the App Store, it will make a lot more money. That is mainly due to getting more ad revenue and in-app sales. We can easily argue that Google Play Store is the leading app platform today. It keeps on growing still day by day. New users join the Android world. Android users outnumber iOS users by almost 3 times. Play Store is where they get their apps safely. Now, I am sure you would like to find out how to make money from Google Play Store. Such a source is too good to ignore. Let's look at your monetization options below. Selling your app on Google Play Store, the most direct way to make money from Google Play Store will be selling your app, no doubt about that, though. If you want users to prefer your paid app over free alternatives, you will need to offer a much better services than those. If you can get the users to prefer your paid app, then you have found the most direct way to make money from your app. However, it is not always easy to be successful with paid apps. You will need to target a very specific niche and provide the best solution there. If you can't solve a very specific problem of your target audience and do it in the best way compared to others who try, users will not be too likely to choose your app. It may not also be good to know that iOS users are more inclined to buy paid apps compared to Android users. Earning money from in-app purchases. In-app purchases are one of the most common ways to generate money with your app. They are used in most commonly in games and other entertainment apps, offering items like game cash, new characters, character outfits can be desirable enough for your users to pay for them. This way, you can keep your app free to download and enjoy, but still make money with it. If your app is not a game, you can still follow this option. For example, you can offer basic functionality for free, but make certain features premium and allow users to buy them. However, do consider that in recent years, many users developed a dislike towards in-app sales and microtransactions, especially games that heavily feature paid items are labeled pay to win and may be avoided by some users. You need to find a fine balance here. Make money through in-app advertising. According to surveys, 49% of mobile app features in app ads, while in past ad revenue were behind the in-app purchases by some margins. The gap is closing each year. This option also allow you to provide your app for free to the users. Therefore, you can get many more users to download and try out your app. Unlike in-app purchases option, users will not need to pay anything to enjoy your app. Just saying no in app purchases in your app description alone can get more users to download your, although they are not mutually exclusive at all. You can use in-app sales and ads together to make even more money with your app, although this also needs a fine balance. If you feature both ads and purchases heavily, they may appear too in your face to users. You walk a fine line if you want to use both options together. Another point to consider is that moderation is the key to success with mobile ads. Do not put gigantic ads every few minutes. This will detract the users from what they are trying to do. तो ये थी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोग को आज की वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर। तब तक के लिए हमें इजाज़त दीजिए, अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। टेक केयर।